Hi there, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Inspires, and today we want to talk about adding plants into your home environments. Plants can be mood boosters, they make us happy. Taking care of them gives us a nurturing feeling, and it helps to reduce stress. There are so many great new varieties out there that we have the growers developing for us. This is one of the new philodendron plants. It's called Pictus Silver Satin, and it's kind of a satin finish, but it has a great variegated texture and really interesting coloring. So this is that long-lasting philodendron that we see people use all the time, easy to grow, but really is a great plant to be able to add into your home environments. This plant starts as a hanging basket, it's an 8-inch hanging basket. So I do want to put it into a ceramic pot. So this pot doesn't have drainage, so I have added a layer of the pebbles down in the bottom of the pot to provide some drainage for this. And then I've added in some of a good soil mix that you come in with, and then we're just going to pop this plant out of the hanging basket, bring it in, and then add a little bit more soil around the edges and allow this to grow. So when you are repotting plants, you should choose a pot that's about 1 inch wider all the way around from your plant size. And so this one's a little bit deeper too, but it's going to be something that this plant can grow into and really add a lot to your home decor. So I hope you bring some plants home today. See your local floral professional and really enjoy that feeling of those mood boosting plants.